already noon time. Thank you, honey. Driver ID 113. Your shower is now ready. There. This is our shower. Wow, our design of a shower has what's this? Coconut husk? Oh no, it's not. It's just made of plastic. This is just only a synthetic coconut husk. It looks like two, but it's only one. That's only the mirror. Okay. For the first time, I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar for my hair. I'm gonna see if it is effective or not. My hubby said it is really effective. And ang lambot na niya, guys. It's so soft. I am done and ready to exit. I will use next time the vinegar because it's really soft when I comb. First comb, it's soft. My husband took a shower first before me because I took a long time to take a shower. We can get another shower room, but we choose to share only one room. So see you guys. My husband is here waiting for me. Hi, honey. How long you're waiting here? Few minutes? Where have you been? Okay. Did you turn on the engine? So, I will put my bag first in the truck before we're heading to restaurant. The bag is a little heavy in my shoulder, so yeah. I put it first in the truck. So, I'll find table na.
Yeah, angle on it.
Okay. Here is my food, and I will put something, this stuff here, tomato, onion, pepperoni. Only 2 slices. Onions. I like this style. This is my first time. This is my first time doing like this. Restaurant. Fill it up all you can, I guess. Lettuce, what else? Here we go. Bon appetit, honey. It's my order, cheeseburger. So I pick up some lettuce, onions, pepperoni, tomato, and pickled cucumber. The orders took a while, but it's okay. Let's eat, guys. Look what I did to my cheeseburger. It's really full of filling inside. Look at that. It's all giant now, cheeseburger. How can I eat this? How can I bite this? Look at that. I will try it. Let's see if I can do it. Oh. Come on, I can do it. I can do this. I can do this. Oh, oh my God. Again. Oh my goodness. So, I'd rather to do it like this. Good meat. Look at the meat. Look at the meat, guys. I think living in the truck, when in terms of food, it is more expensive, honey, than you're living in a house. It's more cheaper if you are at home and cook what you want than living in a truck and Most of the time, guys, we buy food. If we don't buy today, we buy outside by tomorrow. Right, hon?
And sometimes every day.
Yeah, sometimes every day. It depends. If we have leftover, then we can eat that by next morning, next day. Because it's not all the time I eat noodles. I eat sandwich. My husband is done. I'm not yet done. My goodness. It was raining earlier, but the rain stopped now. At least we walk a little bit.
Yeah.